Daily routines in English.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Wash the face.
Wash the face.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Do exercises.
Do exercises.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Dry the hair.
Dry the hair.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Drink tea.
Drink tea.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Drive to work.
Drive to work.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
Clean the house.
Clean the house.
Hang the clothes.
Hang the clothes.
Study.
Study.
Do homework.
Do homework.
Have lunch.
Have lunch.
Surf the net.
Surf the net.
Take a photo.
Take a photo.
Go to the toilet.
Go to the toilet.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Put on makeup.
Put on makeup.
Brush the hair.
Brush the hair.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
Play soccer.
Play soccer.
Go to the gym.
Go to the gym.
Make dinner.
Make dinner.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Water the plant.
Water the plant.
Read books.
Read books.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Read the news.
Read the news.
Go out with friends.
Go out with friends.
Wash the car.
Wash the car.
Go for a bike ride.
Go for a bike ride.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends.